Hey guys, how's it going? Flutter Guy this side, back again with a new video. I guess by now you have realized that this video is not going to be like my other boring speed code videos. Right, today I'm not going to code anything. Today's video is for those who messaged me, or rather I can say complained me on Instagram, that they love the UIs, but since they are completely new to Flutter, they don't know anything about how to start or where to start. And I'm pretty sure that there are more people out there who want to begin their Flutter journey but don't know where to start. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up Flutter environment on your Windows machine and start your Flutter journey just like I did. Okay, first of all, let's see what things we need to make Flutter development possible on our machine. So the first thing is that we need a machine. Yes, you heard it right. We need a machine with Windows at least 7 Service Pack 1 or greater. Next, we need an editor, and the top competitors in the market are Android Studio and Vscode. I prefer Vscode because it is a bit lighter and has simpler interface than Android Studio. But don't worry, I'll show you how to install both of them. Check out the timestamps for jumping directly into the installation. Next thing we need is a device, physical or virtual, but we need a device. By physical I mean a real Android operating smartphone, and by virtual I mean an emulator. Next, we must have at least 10 GB of free storage on our device to make everything run smoothly. And the final thing is Git, which I'll show you where and how to download. Git keeps track of each and every change of code on your code base, so it is a good practice to use Git with every project. And yes, that's pretty much everything we need for Flutter development. Now that we know the prerequisites, we can begin the installation process. I've divided the installation process in 4 steps. As you can see on my blackboard, in step 1 we'll install and set up Flutter. In step 2 we'll install and set up Android Studio. In step 3 we'll set up Android emulator, and in the final step we'll run our first app. So let's begin with step 1. Open the browser and type Flutter install. Then click on the official Flutter docs link. Here you will get 4 options according to your PC configuration. Choose one. If you are in China, then also no worries. Flutter community has special arrangement for you guys. Check out the link for more details. I'll be choosing Windows, and here you can see system requirements, which we already know. Only thing we need from here is to download the Git. You can click on this link to download it from the official site. Choose a version according to your PC configuration. After that, click on this big blue button and your Flutter's SDK zip will start downloading. I'll cancel it because I already have downloaded it. Next, you need to unzip it, and after unzipping it, you just simply need to copy and paste it to your C drive and not inside any folder. Now to access it from anywhere on the machine, we need to add it to the path variables. To add it to path variables, just type env on the start menu and an environment variables dialog box will appear. Here under the path section, create a new field and just copy paste the bin address of Flutter extracted file. And we are all done. To check we have done everything correctly or not, you can directly open command prompt and write Flutter commands. For example, to know the version, we can write flutter -- version. And as we can see, I'm on the stable release version 1.2.1. So we are done with step 1, let's move to step 2. Scroll down a bit and you'll get a link to install Android Studio. Click on the link and you will be redirected to the official site of Android Studio. Click on the big green button and Android Studio will start downloading. Once downloaded, install it just like any other Windows software. After installation, open it, you'll get a similar window like this. To be able to create Flutter apps, we need to install 2 plugins. So go into the settings and then into plugins and type Flutter. Install it just by clicking the install button and then click OK and OK. Now you can see an option of creating Flutter apps in Android Studio. Click on the option and here you will get 4 options. But we are interested in Flutter applications, so just press next. Here we can give name to our project, we can choose the SDK path, and we can choose the project path too, and also can give a description to our project. So after setting up all these, you can press on next. We can click on next. Here we need to define a package name. So for now, let it be as it is. Click on finish. And now it will create a brand new Flutter project for you. As you can see, this is the same place from where all my speed code videos begins. So we finished step 2 also. Let's now move to step 3 of setting an Android emulator. Click on the emulator icon present above and here you can see that I already have 2 emulators installed, but I'll show you how to create a new one. Click on create new virtual device and select a Nexus device for better performance. Click on next. Select an system image, or in other words operating system. I have R downloaded, so I will select R. Click on next. Here you can change the name of the emulator. I'll keep it to Nexus. Also you can change the orientation, and the most important part, enhanced performance, you have to keep it in hardware mode. It will enhance your emulator performance. And all set. Finally click on finish. And your new emulator will be ready. To check it out, click on play button and you can see the emulator is on. It's just like a device but a virtual device. So we can use this device to run our Flutter apps. Let's try this. Select the device and make sure main.dart is selected and click on the run button. In the console window, you will be able to see whatever is happening behind the scenes. Yes, it's launching. As you can see in the console. Here comes the app. It's just the simple counter app which comes out of the box. So we have completed third and fourth step too, or in other words I can say that we have completed Flutter installation. Now if you want to exit the video, you can. If you want to know how to install Vscode too, then hang on with me. Installation of Vscode is similar to installation of Android Studio. You just need to go to any browser and type Vscode download. Click on the first link, and just like Flutter, you will get options to download it for Windows, Linux or Mac. Choose Windows option and it will start downloading. Once downloaded, install it just like any other software, and after opening it, you'll find a window similar to this. To run Flutter apps in VS Code, just like Android Studio, you need to install two extensions that are Flutter and Dart. Let us install them one by one. So go to the extension section and type Flutter, and you'll find one. Install it, and then type Dart and select the first extension and install it. And yes, that's it. Now you can open the terminal and navigate to the path where you want to create a project, and to create a project you just need to type a simple command, that is flutter create your project name. In this case I am using test app as my project name, so my command will be flutter create test app, and in few seconds your project will be ready. Now you can open that folder where you created the project, and you and me will be on the same place whenever a speed code video begins. To run the app, you can simply select the run option from the menu bar and select run without debugging and choose the emulator. I'll choose the Nexus one, and yes, all done. Thank you all for watching the video. We'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.